July 4th card opening. Not something, well, at least what I think is special for today. We're going to roll for 3 packs. And we're going to do the special theme for update. It's 11, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Selector's choice. And one more. 9, 2, 4, 6, 8. Oh, I guess you get 2 special packs today. We'll start with these and then we'll go into the option. Pretty busy in the ER. Lots of people come to the ER on the 4th of July for who knows what reason. Not really. Who knows what reason. Anyway, we'll start with Collector's Choice. Spike Owen, Silver Signature. Cecil Fielder, Best of the 90s. Mark Whitten, Best of the 90s. Floyd. Manny. Steve Farr. Parrish. Kirk Gibson. He hung around. He was pretty beat up when he hit that famous home run that he's infamous for. But he's still hung around, so good for him, I guess. Update 2020. Really looking for parallels and short prints. That's about it. I mean, I guess no one's going to complain if they get a Randy. Or not. You're Mark Grace, I'm a rookie. Hope you get absolutely nothing. Oh, Lord. A Bowman Draft Jumbo. Good Lord, good Lord. Oops. Do it like this. Okay, we're pulling out all the first. Jared Jones, Bailey Horn, Burl Callaway, Logan Hoffman, Slade Sear, Connor Phillips, Mitchell Parker, Hudson Haskin, Ryan Murphy, Far Cry from 2021, Casey Martin, Carmen Medola, Carson Ragsdale, Nick Bitsko, Jackson Hoare, Bryce Jarvis, Jordan Blakovich, Kincaid, Michael Bush, Tyler Silverstone, Case Williams, Reed Detmers, DJ Hall. Okay, we have Kristen Robinson, Bowman, Chrome, Landon Knack, first, Joe Boyle, first, Ryan Jensen, Nick York, Mario Rea, Tanner Burns, upside down, Justin Forrest, Freddie Zamora. What is this? Why is it upside down? I'm not too sure why that is upside down. I'm going to put it aside. Maybe it's an alternate pose. I don't know, though. I will have to look at that. But that being said, these are all the first I got, and these are the non-first. Pretty impressive. I didn't see any of the big hitters here. At least we're thinking of Zach Veens and such. But I'm going to look up that Freddie Zamora. I'm going to try to set it sideways. Okay, the special opening, because this is absolutely one of my favorite holidays, is a package of Absolute Baseball 2021. Two autos, 2 packs, 2 memorabilia. Hopefully something good. We've had a lot of fun big packs that we've opened recently. Start with the Lou Bob one. I may keep the container out for this. I've never opened up Absolute before. Okay, we got Sixto Sanchez rookie, Trevor Bauer out of 25. Statistically speaking, hopefully he figures out whatever happened with him. Blake Snell, Brian Anderson, not bad looking cards. Jimmy Fox, Randy Arozarena, Buster Posey, a little bit more shiny. Got a Andre Dawson, Tools of the Trade, Relic, the Pinstripes, non-numbered. And finally, you have a Yushi Kazuki, Tools of the Trade. Triple patch, Pinstripes, color, sticker auto, not too bad. Not exactly the big one we're looking for, but nice patches. Nice patches. Who do you collect? Cards that are cool. Like the Andre Dawson, Yushi Kazuki, I'm not horribly sold on. Alpha Devers, probably my numbered if it follows the pattern. Maybe not. Only one card in the back. Oh, simmer down, simmer down. Devers, Power, non-numbered. Gelato, J.P. Crawford, Tatis, Absolute, Yastrzemski, DJ LeMahieu, Chris Bryant, Mike Trout, numbered out of 199. Numbered Trouts, no one's going to complain about. We have a Frankie Reyes. It's a nice patch for Cleveland. Looks like their Army patch. And finally, Leoto Taveras. This is the artificial baseball thing. These aren't too bad, actually. That's numbered out of 30 right there. Anyway. Numbered Trout we like. We'll put that up. Nice patch. Get our other 2 hits here. So is that not UCL's rookie? I don't know. So nice Andre Dawson. Auto there. Nice patch there. Nice patch there. Auto. Not too bad, not too bad. Number Trout, some other cards. Anyway, oops. That is all for today. Y'all have a happy 4th, and we'll see you later.